In this video, I will be playing Just Build. As a pro builder, you should already know we about to get a lot of dubs. But without further ado, let's get into game one.
In the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Got caught with them. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I've been on TikTok way too much, bro. Swear. Alright. I'm not the greatest builder of all time, but I ain't that bad. Okay, that is the feat. I forgot this is not double time, bro. Screw this idea. I swear, bro. That's the only thing I don't like about this. I don't ever have enough time. Alright, we gonna put that. Oh my gosh, there's only 3 minutes left. Put that. Right. Then we gonna put, I need gray. Give me gray. Give me gray. Where is gray? Okay. I'm blind. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, then we just go 1. 1. Yeah, that seems about right. Right. Then we just gonna boom bow. You feel me? Boom bow. Right. Oh my gosh. Boom boom boom. What color my parachute wanna be? Screw it. It's gotta be black. We need chat, right? Then we need yeah. I don't like it. Oh my gosh, I only have a minute. Please. 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 Where is the stupid freaking... Screw it. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Oh my gosh, I just realized he doesn't have a face. 4. Is that good enough? Sure. It's gonna have to do. What? Hello? Oh my gosh. Actually, I ain't panicking. How much time I got? Oh my gosh. Please, not like this. Oh my gosh, I hear it. Um. Um. That was a questionable. What in? I don't think this is how you use a parachute. Like, I never use one, but if I were to say, I would say that's how you use. What is this? Bro literally put a head. What the? Uh, based off of this, S tier, um, camera angle. Okay. Anyways, okay. This is actually good. How did you have enough time to do this? Who is this? Who built this? Who built this? That's why you ain't even finished. Oh, that's not a parachute. A parachute doesn't go like that. You don't grab a parachute like this. I can't blame him. At least it's something. I just drew a black dude. What in? Bro. They drew Casper. Or they built Casper. Oh!
Police! Help! Police! Help! Police! Help!
Oh, okay. Well, I was a little. Oh my god. Um, I don't know how to feel about that one, but okay. That last one was so good. Like, I had nothing to say. And this one isn't a parachute. What is this? Like, it's like, I see the picture, but no, nah, this ain't this, dude. What the? Why is there random blocks on the ground? If I don't get dead last, I'll be surprised. Actually, never mind, bro. Never mind, bro. Some people ought to get banned because of this, bro. What is this? Why did you think you had enough time to do this? Who told you you had enough time to do this? Who gave me a grate? Who in their right mind gave me a grate? What is it? It is? Yes. That's what I wanted. That is what I needed. This is what I needed. Alright, so basically, that's what we're gonna do, right? We'll draw something like that. Something like these, right? Just something like these, right? Boom. Bow. Boom. Bow. Let me get. Okay. 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 Why am I dumb? Why am I so dumb? Oh, I thought I put the wrong block for a second. Why did I make this bottom so low? Is that fine? No. I need another one. Boom. Bam. Bam. Bop. Boom. Okay. Oh! Okay. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why did I do this? Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Why am I so dumb? Why am I so dumb? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. I was supposed to kill this, and now I'm just being an idiot. It's alright, bruh. We got 2 minutes. I ain't even got no spike yet. That's kind of sad. Right. Right. Mm-hmm. 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 Why did I... Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay. 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 Right. Screw it, bruh. What is this? Okay. 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 Now add random blacks. Yes. Because blacks are so good. Yes. Black. Okay. Okay. I don't like that right there. Put that one right there. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh God. It is looking like a cactus. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. This is my cactus. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Don't question the top of it. Just know it's beautiful. This is literally... What the... This is literally a green pillar with green dots. What is... Oh my gosh, bro. Why are these so bad? What is this? Bro found a devil fruit. What is this? Where's the grass? What type of tree? Yeah. Yeah. Vote it. Vote it up. Vote it up. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all know my stuff not booty. Oh. What is this? What is this? What is this? They tried to build the arms, but there's no what? Okay, I like this one. It's a little too many spikes. And it also irritates me that there's 3 spikes in a row right here. I did not mean to vote that. Oh. I don't know how I feel about this. I'll just put meh. Yeah. I'll just put meh. Yes, sir. Big first place. Big first place. I told y'all, bro. Look at my beautiful cactus. I knew it. As soon as I saw the option, and I already know what people's gonna do. It ain't looking good. It is not looking good at all. Okay, well. Get ready to look at a whole lot of stuff that shouldn't be allowed to be looked upon. I can't sing that. Okay. As the casual S tier builder myself, as you may know, because as you know, I get first place every time, no competition. No competition at all, bro. Every time. Nobody can ever mess with me. Nobody. Ever. But you know. What is this? What monstrosity did I just build? Okay. I made it look a little better, but like. Okay. Talk to me. It's pretty mid, but you know. Can I build another one in 2 minutes? I don't know. Gonna build them like twins. just like twins. This takes place in New York because that's a wonderful place. And we love wonderful places. You know? Might even want to build a wonderful... I'm not even gonna say it, bro. You know what I was gonna say. We have two twins, but they're only missing one flying, how would you say it? One flying vehicle. How about that? How about that? We'll just say that, alright? If you could put the pieces together, then good job. You're smart. If you can't, well, tough luck. But all I know is I'm about to get an easy dub because that's all we take. Do I have enough time? Where's the grass block? Where's the grass block? Oh my gosh. Where's the grass block? I found it. Please. Please. But I didn't finish it at all. Okay, bro. What is this? Why is that block up there? Please. Okay. This is not looking so bad. A lot, it looks terrible. But, you know, they went big. That's all I can say. Yeah, I shouldn't have rated them that. They went, okay. You see, I'm liking this one. I like the little, I put that good. The only thing I don't like about it is it's made out of wood. Like, please let me in. Of all things to make this out of, you choose wood. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's a skyscraper. It's the most boring skyscraper I've ever seen. Look at this beautiful skyscraper. You know, this skyscraper is not, it's not bad. Oh, when you look at this, this is a beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's mine. Why does mine always have to be versus after the weird one, bro? Oh, I'm crying. Anyways, again. What you mean again? Okay, I saw pink, I got a little scared. I ain't gonna lie. I saw pink and instantly looked away. Pink is not the best color in this game. Why is there lava? This is nowhere near a sky. Okay. You know what? I like this. I like this. This is pretty good. I won't vote it great. I voted good though. Pretty good. Okay. See? See, this makes me mad. This looks like somebody's face with a big old forehead. Like, why am I not voting? What? No, 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 no. This is just wrong. This is just wrong. I hate this game. This is rigged. This is solely rigged. All of this is rigged. My gosh, bro.